don't do things just because you think you're going to get something for it. That's not why we do things. Do what's interesting to you. Don't worry about the outcome. If I like it, that doesn't mean anything. That's what people think. As an artist, if you like it, that's all of the value. The success comes when you say, I like this enough for other people to see it. All that's in your control is making the thing to the best of your ability. Is this the best I can make today? Have I gone further than I've gone before? That's all we can do. We're all just people, good at some things, not good at other things. We're all doing our best. And sometimes we find a way to make something beautiful.